Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix Jeep compass screen. Start by turning off the ignition and disconnecting the negative battery terminal to avoid shocks and errors. Next, remove the trim with gentle prying to avoid broken clips and keep screws organized in a labeled tray. Work on a clean, flat surface and use plastic tools when possible to prevent screen scratches and dash damage. Diagnosing the problem is half the repair, and it keeps you from replacing parts unnecessarily. Start with a simple visual inspection of connectors, fuses, and the back of the screen assembly for obvious damage. Test the touchscreen response and boot behavior to see if the issue is hardware or software related. Jot down error symptoms, then decide whether you need a new screen, harness, or a software reflash. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more repair videos for you. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a pleasant cabin scent after you finish working on your Jeep. It cuts shop smells and keeps things fresh. Check the description for the link and other deals and pick one up if you want. Now let's get back to the video. When repairing, take your time and swap one component at a time so you know what fixed it. Clean contacts, reseat harnesses, and try a soft reset before buying parts. If you replace the screen or controller, choose OEM or a reputable aftermarket unit and follow torque specs when reinstalling. Finally, reconnect the battery and run a full function check to ensure touch, audio, and navigation work correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.